firefighting aircrafts can take care of any forest fire. Forest fires have become more and more common as climate complexities increase. Complex socio-economic factors also lead to people being affected by smoke, debris flows, and other wildfire effects. The best means to control or extinguish wildfires is through aerial firefighting aircraft. There are many different kinds of civilian and military aircraft that have been repurposed to fight forest fires. Some of these have been completely remodeled to perform low-dive maneuvers and store water. Watching an aircraft dump an entire lake's worth of water on a fire is quite satisfying. So let's watch some of these fantastic aircraft in action. 1. Air Tractor AT-802. Air Tractor's AT-802 is a multi-purpose single-engine aircraft that has completed 25 years of successful operation. With a water-carrying capacity of 3,100 liters, AT-802 can take off from land and water. It also comes with floats that can scoop 130 liters of water from a lake or river. 2. Bombardier 415. This Canadian aircraft, previously known as Canadair CL-415, is a famous amphibious water bomber worldwide. It stands out for its ability to load 6,100 liters of water in 12 seconds. It can also perform various other roles, such as NBSP, Search and Rescue NBSP, and utility transport. 3. DC-10 Air Tanker. This wide-body aircraft can carry 45,000 liters of water or fire retardant and discharge it in only 8 seconds. The U.S. government has deployed this aircraft all over the country due to frequent forest fires. It is the only aerial firefighting aircraft with such a massive holding capacity. 4. Airbus C-295W. This aircraft has versatile firefighting capabilities with a record of 31 successful operations. C-295 water bomb comes equipped with 2 internal tanks that can carry 7,000 liters of water or fire retardant. The aircraft can also perform various tasks, such as parachute NBSP, and cargo dropping, NBSP, electronic signals intelligence, NBSP, medical evacuation, and NBSP, maritime patrol.